In this short video, you will see how easy it can be to view matching ICD-10 codes for your procedure. We'll start by finding the procedure code we performed using the musculoskeletal browser. iCoder will show you many code details, including the ICD-10 codes you can use with this procedure. If any matching ICD-10 are on your favorite list, you will see them first. To see all the ICD-10 codes, tap the Show All button. You can make any code your favorite to quickly see them the next time you access this procedure. The matching ICD-10 codes will show every time you access a CPT code. The ICD-10 to CPT crosswalk is available on iCoder Premium. Upgrade today.